Hello folks, Paulie Mac from Park Life in Terrigal. Today I'm going to put together some Korean fried chicken sliders using the QBA milk buns. We'll take some beautiful free-range chicken thigh. We've chosen chicken thigh because it's the most tender, most moist part of the chicken.
So chefs, you'll know this process. We're going to panade these chicken thighs. We'll use some White Wings plain flour, then the eggs, then the breadcrumbs. So we'll cook these with some Simply sunflower oil, a couple of minutes each side.
And then we'll finish in an oven. So in here we'll start with a beautiful Praise whole egg mayonnaise. Kimchi juice and the fermented red bean paste is going to give a kick to this.
Okay, now to assembly. We'll take our QBA milk bun sliders, slice in half, toast each side, and we'll assemble these with a little bit of that beautiful Korean flavored mayonnaise, some kimchi, and away we go.
There you have it folks, beautiful QBA milk buns, Korean fried chicken, boom.